Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we had some active weather over the course of the last 12 to 24 hours, and we're going to continue to see some pretty poor conditions throughout the day today, as we'll see those winds remaining quite gusty as we go into the afternoon. Last night across the area, we had numerous showers and thunderstorms impact the Wallops region. Just wanted to show you how many lightning strikes we did have last evening as those storms moved through the area. This is just a 10-mile cutout here around the Wallops area, but as you can see, plenty of strikes occurring here. These are all cloud-to-ground strikes, and we had a pretty active system move through. This is kind of the first real good lightning event we've had so far this year, but I'm sure as we go into the spring and summer season, we'll see more of these to come over the course of the next several months. We'll look at our current surface analysis. You can see that front has moved south of the area of low pressure just off the mid-Atlantic coast this morning, providing us with that strong northeasterly flow. And we are going to continue to see those gusty winds throughout most of the day today. So far this morning, we have seen those gusts up to around 40 miles per hour earlier. We have seen them drop off a bit since that time frame, and we're going to continue to see a slow decrease in those winds as we go into the afternoon today, but likely seeing those winds above 25 knots until later this evening as we see those winds finally subsiding under wind advisory criteria. The upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release showing those strong winds at the low levels of the atmosphere. You can see northeast winds at 42 knots at the 1,000-foot level. And then we see a drop off in the mid levels of the atmosphere as we start to see those winds turn out of the west at around the 10,000-foot level, and then become southwesterly in direction as we go up to 25,000 feet. And we see those winds increasing up to 58 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 2,200 feet. I want to take a quick look at our radar. You can see most of the precipitation just off to our south. We are seeing a few sprinkles here at Wallops as of the 10 a.m. hour, and we're going to continue to see the chance for some showers to occur through around noontime today. We also are going to see the chance of a few snowflakes mixing in at times as we are starting to see some cooler air being brought into this system, and could see some areas picking up a few snow showers or two. Not expecting any accumulation though, as those temperatures will stay well above freezing in the upper 30s as we go into the late morning and early afternoon hours. I want to look here at our infrared satellite. You can see this upper level disturbance providing a banding of cooler cloud tops over the mid-Atlantic region this morning. All of that is going to exit the coast in association with that upper level trough as it moves east. And we will see maybe even a little bit of sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours today. I'm going to take a quick look here at our forecast model and what we can expect. This is current time. You can see pretty much depicting a pretty good accuracy here on our precip and where it's setting up right now. As we go into the late morning and into the afternoon, this is the noontime hour, you will see those showers start to move farther off the coast and out to sea. And we will likely see an end to any kind of precipitation chances come at around noontime today. Looking at our long-range model here, this is the European model and what we can expect for the weekend. And we are looking for pretty nice conditions, abundant sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday. It will be cooler on Saturday as we'll still see a fairly tight pressure gradient across the area, providing us with some breezy conditions through the day on Saturday. Much less breezy than what we'll have today, but with that northeast flow continuing, likely seeing temperatures struggle to get out of the 40s tomorrow, probably maxing out at around 50 degrees. For Sunday, we'll see a little bit warmer air mass start to make its way into the region. Still seeing abundant sunshine on Sunday with those temperatures warming into the mid to upper 50s. And then for the beginning of next week, we're going to see an area of low pressure off the southeast coast try to make its way into the Wallops region. Right now, looking like those showers will have a hard time reaching our area. We are going to see a fairly warm air mass in place for most of next week, and we will see, again, a fair amount of clouds associated with this area of low pressure. So depending on how close this low gets to our area, that'll increase our chances for precipitation as we go into the Monday and Tuesday time frame. Right now, only looking at about a 20% chance or less of any precipitation occurring. As we go into the middle of the week, that low will finally kick out to sea a little farther. We will see, again, those showers just off the coast. And then into the day on Thursday, we'll start to see our next system take shape and potentially bring us some rainfall by Thursday evening. So for the next 24 hours, looking at the main hazard to be concerned with will be those strong winds above 25 knots through the afternoon and into the early evening hours before we see those winds under 25 knots. We'll also see a little bit of sunshine as we go into the afternoon as well. And any kind of precipitation we do get here will likely come to an end around the noontime hour. So we go into the evening hours tonight, looking for partly cloudy skies, those temperatures dropping to around freezing. And then for the next 7 days, we're looking at some warming temperatures. Will only max out at around 42 degrees for today, but as you can see, as we get into the weekend, we'll see those temperatures back into the 50s, 50 degrees, your high for Saturday, and then up to 56 degrees for Sunday. As we go into the beginning of next week, looking at temperatures in the upper 50s by Monday and into the 60s by the middle of the week. Again, those slight chances of showers occurring for the first part of the week as that low meanders just off the southeast coast. 10% chance on Monday, 20% by Tuesday. And then it looks like a very warm day in store for you on Wednesday, 66 degrees. And then on Thursday, looking at highs in the mid 60s with a little bit better chance of some precipitation, probably in the later portion of the day on Thursday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again on Monday of next week at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.